Hi, this is Kim Butler with HomeSmart Realty Group, and I'm going to show you this condo that is right here by Cattail Creek Golf Course. Just on the other side of this row of condos, there's a little path that leads over to the golf course with beautiful lakes that attract wildlife and unobstructed views of the Rocky Mountains. It's a very peaceful setting. So the house behind me, we're going to go inside and take a look around and show you this property. We're walking up to the front door here, and the first thing you have is your deck, which is nice and shaded. Lots of nice fresh air, especially in the summer and fall. And the patio furniture is included. You can sit there and enjoy the view. Before we go in the house, I'll show you the other side of the deck. You can make friends with your neighbors, which is typical in this neighborhood. People are pretty friendly. So let's go inside. We'll see, as we step inside, we see the living room, which has high vaulted ceilings with windows that face to the south. So you have a lot of nice natural light, and the loft up above. This is the dining area as we walk under the chandelier. All the carpets and vinyl are new, and the house has been newly painted, so everything is nice and fresh and clean. This is the front entry again, the living room, and up above here is where you have those windows. And you have an abundance of natural light because they face the south. It's especially nice in the winter time. Gives you a nice warm feeling. So let's take a look at the kitchen. Here is the kitchen. It's nice and white and bright. Lots of cabinets for storage. The sink is well lit. A nice stainless steel sink, and you have Maytag appliances, and you have a eat-in kitchen space here where you can set up a little table for breakfast. Looking out the window here, you will see the backyard patio and some nice shrubs. Here you have more cabinets on this side, and those can be like a china cabinet. They have the glass windows. Here's the entry closet right here. So you have a little closet right there, convenient to the kitchen. And on the other side, you have a nice pantry with shelves. So you have quite a few shelves there. Organize your pantry. So this has a main level laundry. So let's take a look at the laundry. And the washer and dryer in this case are included in the sale. You have an Amana washing machine. And you have a Maytag dryer. So if you want those, they're included, or you can sell them. Whatever works for you. Here's the main bath it's a half bath for guests right here, but it does have a nice linen closet that gives you a place to store things here in this little bathroom. And it has a main level master suite. And the master suite has another linen closet inside of it. So that is very nice. Has two closets. They have mirrors, so it makes it a little difficult in the camera here to see what you're looking at, but that's the closet. And it's a nice large master looking out to the deck there. Lots of nice natural light. And we'll take a look at the master bathroom here. It's a full bath with shower, and it has shower doors, a grab bar there, and now just looking around in the enclosure for the shower and the tub. And you have the sliding doors, so you don't have to worry about a curtain. Okay? So that's a look at the main level: laundry, master bedroom, living room, dining area, and kitchens. So let's go take a look upstairs at the other two bedrooms and the loft, and there's a full bath upstairs. Before we go upstairs, let me show you this large storage space that's under the stairs. Isn't that nice? You can put quite a bit of things in there. And there's also an access door to the crawl space. Down in the crawl space, the tankless water heater is right behind the stairs there, and the furnace is in the crawl space as well. So there's a lot of storage there. So let's go upstairs and have a look out. We're going to look out the window here, and you will see your backyard patio right down there. Okay, we'll go on upstairs here to this large loft, which can also be used as an office space. And you'll have a nice view looking down into the living room, and you have a lot of natural light from those windows that are up above. So that's the loft area. Let's look into this bedroom right here. This is the larger of the two upstairs bedrooms. This one has two closets and two windows, and it looks outside to the backyard patio. And you also have the attic access in this bedroom. Yeah, there's your backyard patio down there. And we'll walk across to the main bathroom that's upstairs. This is a full bath with a tub and shower. That's also a brand new sink and faucet. You have a nice storage area there for a linen closet. And this is the next bedroom. This one is a little smaller than the other one, and it has one closet. This looks out to the south. This is your garage and your backyard patio right back here. So this is your back door, and there's a separate key for that security door, that storm door, and this is one of the upstairs bedrooms up there. So this is your little patio in the back. You come in on a private street that's maintained by the HOA, so you're never out in the traffic when you're trying to get in and out of your garage. So this is your garage, and the storage shelves are going to come in handy. Those are all included. You also have some nice hooks on the walls to hang things on. The garage is finished and insulated, so it'll be warmer in the winter. There's a little workbench there in the corner, and some more storage shelves on the other side, and some more hooks. So it's a very nice finished garage. From the garage, you enter the house into the kitchen area. So I just want to show you that. You open into the kitchen here. That's how you come in to the garage or go out back through that same door to the garage. So the storage shelves are included in this package. Great deal. This is your clubhouse at the west end of the complex. There's a parking area there for guests, and straight across is your mailbox. So this is where you're going to get your mail, and you'll see here this is a private driveway maintained by the HOA, so you're never going to be in traffic when you pull into your garage, and your garage is the second one from the end of the string of buildings right there. So this is your garage. Now I'm going to show you 3 important things that you access from this little storage area under the stairs. And the first one is a water shutoff valve. This is the main water to the house. They've installed a shutoff valve that comes up inside this closet so that you don't have to crawl into the crawl space if you suddenly need to shut off the main water. Now we're going to go down into the crawl space, and right behind the stairs is your tankless water heater installed in 2018. And then across the way is the furnace. It's a high efficiency furnace installed in 2000. So your furnace and your water heater is in the crawl space, and your water shutoff valve is accessible without getting in the crawl space. Now that you've seen the house, let's look at some of the benefits, the reasons why you would enjoy living in this community. First of all would be the golf course. Whether you golf or not, you have easy access to the scenery and the views. Just come over and walk down this little path, and there's one on the other side as well over by the clubhouse. These little paths lead out to the golf course. It's just not very far at all. You can wheel right on over there and enjoy the views of the golf course, the ponds, the wildlife, the mountains views. It's all just right there with easy access, and that is a benefit. One of the most popular attractions in Loveland is just 2 blocks away, the Benson Sculpture Garden. And so many people enjoy walking, strolling through this area, looking at the sculptures, and just enjoying being outdoors. So that is definitely an attraction to this neighborhood that's just 2 blocks away, just straight east. Right across the street from the Sculpture Garden, you'll find North Lake Park, which is another very popular attraction, and it's just 2 blocks away from your condo. And children just love to ride the buckhorn train and fish in the ponds and in the lakes. There's lots of fun wildlife, things to do for all ages, and beautiful scenery, peaceful setting that's so close by. It's just a real benefit. Come check it out. You might like it.